Hey, it's Aubrey from Diib. In order to get the full use of the Diib dashboard, you really need to sync your Google Analytics. Once you sync your account, we'll be able to pull important information like your site's health score and information on how you can outrank your competitors. If you have an existing account, it's really easy to do, and I'll show you how to do it in a second. If you don't have a Google Analytics account, you can reach out to support@diib.com and we can install it for you for a small fee. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see a banner that prompts you to sync your analytics. Click on I already have Google Analytics, then Sync Existing Analytics. From there, you'll log into your Gmail and allow Diib access. If you have multiple Google Analytics accounts attached to your Gmail, click on All Website Data and pick the correct site from the dropdown. Click Connect and you're all set. Now you might run into issues here for two different reasons. Someone else created your Google Analytics and you don't have access anymore, or it's no longer installed. If this is the case, or if you see an alert in the corner that says that your analytics account is synced but not pulling any data, just reach out to us at support@diib.com and we'll help you out. Congrats on taking this next step for your business. And remember to keep your eye out for helpful Diib alerts. Have a great day.